So I decided today to make a video making how to download our anydesk software. Many students will be needing this software for remote desktop connectivity. So just type in Chrome anydesk download and select this website. You can go for download now. It will start downloading. You can use your OS, whichever OS it supports, many OS. After downloading it, we just do the installation. It will be very simple. Once installation is done, we will get this address. So this is the address we need to share with the person whom you want to connect it remotely. Simple. And then you will get a request here. Once you accept the request, the remote person will be able to connect with you and access your laptop.